Xhorse Audi BCM2 adapter V2 fix. The simple mod everyone should know. Hey everyone, this is Hussain, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, the place where we break down even the most confusing diagnostic issues and turn them into clear, confidence-boosting steps for technicians and learners. Today, we're diving into something many Audi programmers have quietly struggled with but never really talked about. Before we jump in, here's a quick copyright disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. All images, clips, and references fall under fair use, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and comply with local laws when working on vehicles. Now, let me ask you something intriguing. Have you ever connected your shiny new Xhorse Audi BCM2 adapter V2 with full excitement, only to be greeted with that annoying pin is abnormal error? If yes, then stick with me till the end, because today you're going to understand exactly why this happens and how a simple tweak can solve it. So here's what happened. A user reached out saying he was unable to read an Audi BCM2 module, specifically the 3381 version, using the Xhorse Multi Prog paired with a new Audi BCM2 adapter V2. Every time he tried, the device threw the same frustrating message: pin is abnormal. Now, if you've ever seen this message on a fresh adapter, you know the emotional damage it causes. You buy a new tool thinking it's the upgraded solution, and suddenly the older version is outperforming it. It's like buying the new iPhone and realizing your older model still charges faster. Interestingly, the older Audi BCM2 adapter V1 works on the same module without a single complaint. That instantly tells us something is off, not with the tool, not with the module, but with the adapter's internal mapping or pin structure. This is where the real twist comes in. The solution that many technicians have now confirmed is surprisingly simple. You need to manually modify the Gen 2 Audi BCM2 adapter V2. That's right. This isn't a software glitch. It's a hardware-level pin correction that needs to be done by adjusting the XDMP 100 BCM2 adapter A and XDMP 101 BCM2 adapter B layouts. In the first modification, the XDMP 100 BCM2 adapter A requires pin adjustments because certain terminal lines are mapped differently compared to the older V1 adapter. Imagine two cables that look identical but secretly swapped wires inside. No wonder the tool throws pin abnormal. By shifting the specific communication pins back to the pattern used in the V1 adapter, the tool finally understands the BCM2 module correctly. Similarly, in the XDMP 101 BCM2 adapter B, a few track adjustments or wire bridges need to be made so that the adapter delivers the same logic and signal flow expected by the BCM2 module. Think of it as correcting the accent of a voice so the listener actually understands the words. If the accent is off, the meaning is lost, and the BCM2 module behaves the same way. Once these small modifications are completed, the previously abnormal pin reading becomes normal. The BCM2 module can be read successfully, and the Multi Prog begins working just the way it was designed to. Many technicians have now confirmed that after making these manual hardware tweaks, the reliability becomes consistent across 3381 and similar BCM2 versions. And here's the best part. This entire process makes the V2 adapter finally work the way it should have worked from the factory. Sometimes technology feels like a comedian telling jokes only another robot can understand. But thankfully, this fix brings everything back into sync. So what about that big question from the intro? Yes, the pin is abnormal issue can absolutely be solved by manually modifying the Gen 2 Audi BCM2 adapter V2. In my view, it's a small but essential adjustment that Xhorse should address in future revisions. But until then, technicians now have a dependable workaround. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you faced a similar problem with BCM2 adapters or other Immobilizer tools? Drop your experiences, ideas, or even questions in the comments. Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. Many BCM2 modules across Audi platforms share internal logic structures, which means even small pin misalignments can completely shut down communication. Yet correcting just a single line can instantly revive full data access. If this video helped you, I'd truly appreciate your support. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Hype this video, share it with fellow technicians, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a breakthrough like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.